Hi, today we're going to make pulled pork with Coca-Cola. We're using a slow cooker to make this, so let's go and see how it's done. We start with about 2 kilos of pork shoulder, and I have onion powder, 1.5 tablespoon, 1.5 tablespoon of salt, some ginger which is frozen, and I've got a half a tablespoon of 5 spice powder, and I have 4 cloves of garlic. I don't have powder, so I'm using fresh. And of course, the most important thing, Coke, or root beer. And I'm using the slow cooker method, so I'm going to line the slow cooker. Hi, I'm Loretta Lee of Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey. Let's begin. I've got with me here is my pork, which I've cut the rind off, the fat off, and I've cut it into 2 pieces, and my garlic, which I have just mashed it and removed the skin. I put in the pork and the garlic. Here's the ginger, 5 spice powder, onion powder, salt. Here's the Coke. Pour about 250 to 330 ml of the Coke or cola, depending on the size of the can that you buy. What I mean to say is you can use approximately 250 to about 330 ml. This is not rocket science. Give it a stir to see that everything is properly mixed up, and then we put on high for about 4 to 5 hours. I've put this after 4 hours and I've switched it off, so here is it. Now nicely done. Gently remove it, and you can see the pork actually has broken down into a few pieces. So let's start. So we just shred it, and shred it. Do this again. So there you go. So this is ready for serving. Strain the remaining liquid and thicken it with corn flour to make a tasty sauce. Add some cornstarch mixed with some water to thicken it. If you're enjoying my video so far, please like and subscribe. Okay, hi. Let's make a wrap. Tortilla wrap, lettuce, roasted vegetables that I have on hand, top with the pulled pork, add some shredded vegetables. This is pickled vegetables that I made for something else, and also some spring onions which I have as well. Okay, so I'm drizzling some of the sauce that I made earlier. I add just a little bit so that it won't be too dry. You can add in chili sauce, tomato sauce, BBQ sauce, mayo, mustard, whatever you fancy. Like this. I'm not very good at wrapping. Okay. Wow! So here goes. It's good. I must put more of the pork. Now I'm serving it Chinese style with noodles. I have blanched konjac noodles. Add a swirl of sweet soy sauce, that's the last of it. A swirl each of dark soy sauce and light soy sauce. A swirl of sesame oil, very important. Mix, mix, mix. Some blanched green vegetables, this is lettuce. I'm trying to feel less guilty, so I'm using loads and loads of it. Here's the pulled pork which I've added the sauce, a bit of shredded cabbage which I have in my fridge, and garnish with some chopped spring onions. Add some freshly ground white pepper and some chopped chili if you want some heat. There you go, pulled pork noodles, Chinese style. Enjoy! If you find my video of value, please subscribe and hit the notification button. If you like to have more recipes, click here. For travel and food, click here. I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe, so see you the next time. Bye! Ciao!